The spark of growth, awaken your curiosity. Growth is not a destination. It's a journey that begins the moment you choose to stay curious. It's in your decision to wake up every day and ask, what can I learn today? How can I grow? True personal transformation starts with a simple mindset shift, the decision to never stop learning. When you stay curious, you naturally engage with the world around you. You notice things others ignore. You ask questions others are afraid to ask. You read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, and have meaningful conversations with people from all walks of life. And in doing so, you expand your horizons. This constant learning doesn't require a classroom or a certificate. Lifelong learning means being open to exploring anything that sparks your interest. Whether it's diving into a new skill, taking an online course, or just reading about a topic you've never considered, each experience adds depth to your perspective. And the more knowledge you acquire, the better prepared you are to solve problems, make decisions, and innovate. You become someone who doesn't just react to life, you shape. The world around us is always shifting. Technology changes, opportunities evolve, people come and go. In this ever-changing landscape, adaptability is no longer optional, it's essential. Many fear change because it brings uncertainty. But the truth is, every great transformation comes from stepping into the unknown. The strongest people aren't those who never struggle. They're the ones who adapt, adjust, and thrive despite the storm. Reflect on your past. Think of the setbacks that once seemed impossible. Now look at how far you've come. Those struggles didn't break you, they built you. Each challenge sharpened your mind and expanded your skill set. So when new challenges come, face them head-on. Approach them with curiosity, not fear. Be flexible in your methods, firm in your purpose. The ability to adapt means you're always growing, never stagnant. Build your tribe, the power of positive influence. No one succeeds alone. Behind every person who achieves greatness is a network of positive influences. People who believe in them, challenge them, and help them rise. If you want to rebuild yourself, you must be intentional about who you allow into your life. Toxic relationships, negative environments, and constant criticism drain your energy and diminish your potential. You don't have time for that. You're building something incredible, and negativity has no place in your foundation. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift you, friends who celebrate your wins, mentors who guide you with wisdom, colleagues who push you to level up. These are your people. They create a safety net when you fall and a launch pad when you're ready to fly. And remember, support is a two-way street. Be that source of positivity for others. Share your growth. Inspire your circle. Build a community where success is celebrated and growth is the norm. Seek feedback. Grow through reflection. Feedback is one of the most powerful tools for growth, if you're brave enough to accept it. Many people resist feedback because it can be uncomfortable. But growth doesn't happen in comfort zones. Real progress comes from seeing yourself clearly, from recognizing your strengths and identifying your blind spots. That's what feedback does. It holds up a mirror and says, here's where you shine and here's where you can improve. Seek feedback from people you trust, those who want to see you win. And when you receive it, don't get defensive. Get reflective. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I get better? Approach feedback with a growth mindset. Understand that it's not a judgment, it's a gift. It's a tool to help you evolve, sharpen your skills, and move closer to your goals. Develop resilience. Learn to rise after falling. Life isn't easy. You will fall. You will fail. You will have moments when it feels like everything is falling apart. But here's the truth. Resilience isn't about avoiding failure. It's about rising stronger every time you fall. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every failure is a lesson in disguise. And every challenge is an invitation to grow. Resilience is built in those hard moments, when you keep going even when everything inside you says quit. When you're rebuilding yourself, expect resistance, expect obstacles, but also expect growth. Because every time you persevere, you become more powerful than before. Adopt a mindset of persistence. Tell yourself, I may bend, but I will not break. Understand that progress isn't linear. It's messy, unpredictable, and beautiful in its own way. Create a positive environment, your space shapes you. Your surroundings matter more than you think. The space you live and work in influences your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. If you're serious about rebuilding yourself, you must build a physical and emotional environment that supports your growth. Start with your physical space. Clean up, declutter, add things that inspire you. Quotes, vision boards, music, art. Create an environment that reflects the future you're building, not the past you're leaving behind. Then look inward. Your emotional environment, the way you talk to yourself, the habits you form, the mindset you carry, is just as important. Practice mindfulness. Prioritize rest. Feed your mind with uplifting content. Protect your peace like your life depends on it, because it does. You don't need luxury to feel good. You need clarity. You need intention. And most of all, you need alignment between your space and your purpose. Practice gratitude. Train your mind for abundance. When you're focused on rebuilding, it's easy to get lost in what's missing. But real transformation begins when you shift your focus to what's already present. Gratitude rewires your brain. It helps you see opportunity where others see scarcity. It keeps you grounded in the present and hopeful about the future. Make it a habit. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. A kind word, a deep breath, a moment of clarity. The act of noticing is what creates the shift. Gratitude builds resilience. It keeps your spirit strong when the journey gets hard, and it reminds you that no matter what's happening outside, you always have something inside to be thankful for. Live with intention. Design your days with purpose. Don't let life happen to you. Make life happen for you. Living with intention means waking up every day with clarity and purpose. It means knowing what you're building, why it matters, and how to move closer to it every day. Set meaningful goals. Break them into daily habits. Track your progress. Celebrate your wins. Course correct when needed. And most importantly, show up with purpose even on the days you don't feel like it. You're not just passing time, you're building something. Each day is a brick. Lay it with care. Lay it with courage. And soon you'll look back and realize you've built a life that reflects your highest self. Inspire others the power of purposeful influence. When you rebuild yourself, you don't just change your life, you inspire others to change theirs. Your journey becomes a light, your resilience becomes a roadmap, your story becomes someone else's hope. Don't underestimate the power of your voice. Share your progress, share your lessons, share your transformation. You never know who's watching, who needs your message, who's waiting for proof that it's possible. Be that proof. Be that inspiration. Give back. Mentor someone. Encourage someone. Support someone who's just starting their journey. Because the more you give, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more you can give. The journey begins now. Rebuild. Rise. Repeat. Rebuilding yourself isn't a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey. It takes patience. It takes courage. It takes a commitment to become the version of you that you were always meant to be. You are capable, you are worthy, you are powerful. The path won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Each step you take is a step toward your purpose. Each challenge is shaping your character. And each moment of doubt is a chance to reaffirm your strength. So stand tall, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Because the best version of you is not a fantasy, it's a decision. A decision you make every single day to rise, rebuild, and become. Subscribe to my channel, Limitless Mindset, and let's walk this journey together. Your best self is waiting. Now go become it.